What? We out here practicing social distance. Wow, why you jumping like no tomorrow? Right, you too. Got the Arrma Granite out again. I didn't change the bullet connectors, unfortunately, so it's still on 2S. My son's on the Ruckus and my wife's on her Boost. We're out here going ham. Social distance, y'all. Be afraid to get out now, man. Just be secure your surroundings. Oh, nearly took out my man. You hit something? Probably loose. What? Nice. Okay. You're right. Okay. Nice. That's stuck up in there. Let's jump. Oh, sorry. Y'all want to do a little racing? So Stampede is my son. I'm on Granite and my wife is on Boost. So we're gonna go around the cone, come down. Boom. Are we gonna do one lap or two? All right. Y'all ready? Set, go. Oh, we got one. Hold on, let's stop for him. We don't want to cheat him. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. Everybody's still on the same cars. Ready, set, go. Oh, the Granite got out there. Oh, son done smacked up. Oh, wife smacked up. Look. Drive them all. Oh. You ready? Set, go. Nice and easy, y'all. Nice and easy. Okay, the wife is on me. Oh. What's up with the Stampede? I thought we doing two. Oh, I can't lose now. Can't lose now. Can't lose now. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, that's it. All right, guys, we switch it up now. My wife's on the Stampede. I'm still on the Granite, and my son's on the Boost, ECX Boost. Y'all ready? Set, go. Oh, they crashing. The Granite is in first place, baby. Oh yeah, here she come. Oh, somebody on that Boost coming now. Oh, I spun out. Get control. Oh, don't do me like that. Why I'm spinning? Ah, son got it.
And I won.
We got that, you got that. I couldn't regain that. All right, I am on the Stampede, son's on the Boost, and my wife's on the Granite. So, ready, set, go. Oh, that was a nice one. Ooh, they all going out of, they all going here. What? Who won that Granite? That Boost is eating. Yeah, I won that one. Yeah. That's all right. All right. Everybody's still on the same cars. Ready? set, go. Oh, somebody took off. They going the wrong way though. They going the wrong. Oh, the boost is on me. Get him. Oh, oh, get through there. Yeah. Oh, Bab, how you trying to take me out like that? All right, guys. My son's on the Granite, my wife's back on the boost, and I'm on the Stampede. Let's go. Ready, set, go. Ooh. Oh. Ready, go. Oh. You like fatty though, y'all. All right, guys, I'm on the boost. Who on the Stampede? Wife on the Stampede, son on the Granite. You ready, set, go. Oh, what happened? Who wants to? Oh, somebody slacking. I'll wait up here for y'all. Not yet. It's a full throttle, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, that's how you come around. When you get up out of there. Woo! The boost is doing it. Oh, that's a nice play. Boost is doing it. Oh! That was my fault right there. Ah. Got the Losi out, wife driving that. Eight still buggy, 10 still buggy. Yeah, you just kept going full throttle into the fence. Got the brakes though, no?
Yeah.
That's on 3S, y'all. Whoa. It's on 3S, y'all. Trying to correct it, I couldn't. Ah, that's that 3S power, y'all. Broke the little piece off of the back of the mount. Oh man, I gotta get in the way.